Okay guys, so hi, I'm back, and I know some glitches you didn't probably know, but that's no push tower. Nothing you know, nothing you can say, but
That
let's
say will
come.
be misinterpreted in court.
Shut up! Shut up! So guys, let's go to push tower, and again let's push tower troll game. But you want probably know why do I have to push nothing? I'm not gonna push. Look at this. Literally, this is the end, bruh. So guys, I had no how I do. See this? Push tower. Dot dot dot. Never learn. Yeah. What's wrong? But they didn't listen. Take this as a warning. Leave me alone. Stop talking about me. I'm not dangerous, but I can be. But he escaped. I'm sure this one won't escape. Yes, he will. You know what they say. You can run, but you can't hide. That's a new one, so punta tayo dito, tapos na tayo doon. Pero guys, alam niyo na ba yung backrooms? Oo, alam niyo na. Ang dami ng YouTubers na gano'n yan. Ganun. Ako naman. Rooms.
That is set on going pero may verse na nagsabi na
So, okay. Guys, sorry, bata pa lang ako. Tapos, backroom, check in the backrooms na you only, ayoko na. Backrooms motion, another place, the Shadow Network, Gorilla in Backrooms Smile Update, Survive Shrink. Wait lang, ba't ang dami? Ito, plus one speed backrooms escape. Yan, bago yan. Bago ako magkaroon ng backroom. Bago lang pala ako sa backroom sa manan. What is this? Oh, I'm poor, bro. Balik lang ako. Ay guys, ano din ako, taekwondo din ako Taekwondo martial artist ako Martial artist nga ako, diba? Kagaya si Bruce Lee. Martial artist. Okay, punta ulit tayo dyan. Just set
Oh,
up ko yan.
ganito. Instruction, Jorin. Oh.
Wait lang. Nga nga ni.
Kuha ka ng baso.
May shards ako. Agal. Ay! Ay! Whee! Ano ba yan? Toot. Sumusunod dami. Okay guys, telepon pero I'll try to face reveal myself if I get thousands of subs and thousands of likes. So I'm just gonna play it for a second. I want the alien pet.